Hey guys, just want to hop on and let you guys know that this video was pre-filmed and pre-edited. I just want to post up some kind of content, so if you guys see that it's a normal video, then that's why. Obviously I don't want to come off senseless if I just uploaded a video without having anything to say. I do want to sit down soon and just talk about important things, but I'm sure by now you guys obviously know about the Black Lives Matter movement and just everything that's been going on. Let's not forget and continue to do our part. Hopefully this normal upload will just give you guys a little bit of space for just 10 minutes. Remember to take care of yourself and look after your mental health. It's okay to take a break sometimes, but keep your foot on the gas pedal. Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing BLACKPINC contacts. First of all, thank you to Olens for supplying me with contacts non-stop. Today I'm going to be trying on the BLACKPINC SCANDI line from Olens. BLACKPINC made their debut with this early May, but I feel like this line has been out. Yeah, it's just now the BLACKPINC's repping it. That means we have to do. So as you can see, Jennie and Lisa represents SCANDI in gray, and then Jisoo represents SCANDI in hazel. And then last but not least, I think this might be my favorite, but Rose represents SCANDI in olive. I love green. One of the newest colors from the SCANDI line is actually aqua, but nobody represented it, and that's because they made room and left a space for me to model it, so I'll do that. Thanks, BLACKPINC. Okay, before I try them on my boring poop brown eyes, you can purchase these contacts daily wear or monthly wear, so it's up to you. I prefer daily wear. Also, this video is not sponsored by any means. I'm just a loyal Olens kind of person. I'm gonna try to ask Olens if they can reactivate my coupon code if you guys want to buy these. If that happens, then this is the code, and if not, then this is not the code. Okay, so I'm trying to manifest who I want to be first. I can't pick, so I'm just gonna pick at random. And our first verdict is aqua. Let's save that one for last. Okay, hazel. I guess we're going with Jisoo. Just in case you're like me and you have very poop brown eyes, well, I just wanted to show you guys closer. These are the natural eyes we're blessed to work with today. Does it smell? No. It's just a nice toasted golden hazel, alright? Make sure you start off with clean hands. Okay, BLACKPINC in your area. Make sure it's a bowl. Here we go. Open your eyes.
Open your eyes. 이제는 open your eyes. Open your eyes.
There we go. Slide. You know what? You better go in or else. It's in, it's in. They're so comfortable, oh my god. Just checking. Okay, now for the next one. I've gotten stronger, yes I know. April Fools. Wow, these are super comfortable, so thin, so soft, nothing like scratchy. It's just something about the comfort of these. It makes me feel so welcomed. Ooh, stop fucking lying. Can we ignore my eye bags? Thank you. Shut up. So I've noticed with these contacts that the design is really mainly focused in the inner part of the lens. So there's a bigger circumference of just clear contact. As you can tell, it allows my darker eye color as the lining of the hazel, and it makes it look a lot more natural in my opinion. It's so much lighter in person compared to what you see on camera. Pretty! Oh my god, this might replace my BTS Soul Hazel ones, and those are my go-to everyday contacts. In BTS, you got competition. I think it's BLACKPINC in your area. I will say, out of a lot of hazel contacts I've tried, this hazel is a little bit more like that golden yellow on your eyes, which I like, nothing wrong with that. There's so many different shades of hazel, especially when you pair it with your natural eye color. The results are different and unique for everyone. Who are you wearing today? Jisoo. I'm wearing Jisoo right now, so. Okay, now for the fun part. The very, very torturous part, in hopes that I will not blind myself. Okay. Got it! To all the haters who thought I couldn't do it, I'm kind of scared. They don't call it blinks for no reason. I blinked that out. So next, we're gonna manifest Jenny and Lisa in this next trial. Also, Scandi does have a light gray option, so if you want to opt for that, then go ahead. I'm not gonna try it on today. I know, I'm very helpful. Thank you.
Strong power, thank you.
I'm using the 1 day contacts. Looks green. Let's tell me that rim doesn't look green. It don't look gray. Are we on the same color spectrum? Okay, no shade. It says gray, so I'm not tripping. But this straight up looks green. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, I just noticed something and it freaks me out. Look how constricted my pupils are. My pupils, they're so tiny. Okay, we're gonna do that TikTok trick. Okay, think about the sun. Think about the flowers. Think about nothing. Think about the one that makes your heart flutter. Yeah, it's not working. My eyes right now are so contracted. I thought that when I think about the one I missed, it's supposed to dilate. Okay, now on to more important matters. I better look mysterious when I put these on. I'm out there searching for mystery. Jenny looked like she was out for mystery. Wait, time out. It was a little too soon. I wasn't prepared, so that didn't count. Let me go again. See? Hater, and you doubted me. Oh, they are gray. I guess my color spectrum was off. One go. They don't call me professional for no reason. Wow, I am out for mystery. That's what I wanted and that's what I got. Manifestation. Look how pretty these are. I thought I liked the hazel, but oh my god, I really like this one. I am so obsessed. Oh my gosh. You know how Blackpink was really highly raved for their Olin Spanish line? I love the Spanish line. It's so natural, but something about the Scandi line, because it's a little bit more vibrant on the eyes, I feel like I like the Scandi line a little bit more. Personally, I like the vibrant color payoff, but still in a natural way, not like a
In your fucking place, way.
but like in a It's so weird, but it works. And when you pair it on top of these darker brown poop eyes, it's magical. Whatever scientist, chemist, dentist invented this, I feel mysterious and scandalous. Get it? Scandi, scandalous, clever. So many. Oh my god. You have to get the gray ones. Let's take this off so we can try on rosé and see which contact is our bias. Dang! I'm so sad I have to waste you, but look at the difference. I'm extremely excited for the olive one because you guys know I love my green contacts. Just highly recommend for brown eyes. These look green, so duh. Okay, let's channel our inner rosé. It's not working. Okay, we need to put on the contacts. It just turns you on. I love how there has been no flipping, no slipping, no crying. Jinx myself, suspicious. Ooh, oh my god, I just love green on brown eyes. Look, something about green on brown just gives you the softest look. You just look like a soft girl. I will say this green is not as intense, especially compared to the symphony green that Lisa wore from the Symphony collection. The Scandi olives, it doesn't have that warm touch to it. This one has a cooler undertone. I mean, you do get some warmth in the center, but for the majority of the shade, it's a lot more like a gray green. Maybe my color spectrum's off. It's almost similar to the gray ones. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, this Scandi line is definitely top rank for me. I think I like them more than the BTS line. I will say though, out of the three that I just tried, I do like the gray ones more. So the Jenny and Lisa contacts kind of win for me. Regardless, you're still gonna look like you own the stage. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the aqua because that's my spot, that's my place. So one must return to their place. Just kidding, I just wanted to try a blue one because we've tried the hazel, greens, and grays. Now the blue. Off these go.
No. 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 Okay.
to Aqua. Uh-oh, please tell me it's not flipped. Okay, this one's flipped. Okay, hold on. Why didn't they make like Lisa or Jenny wear this one? So it would have been a complete 4. This is obviously the most vibrant and the most pigmentation out of all the contacts. Doesn't look as natural on my eyeballs, but that's because it's blue, I guess. It has a very nice yellow green right in the center, so it kind of blends in with the blue a little bit better. I don't know, these don't blend as well, but I'm not gonna drag. It is still very gorgeous on the eyes. You can tell I don't have blue eyes, right? I feel like for the other contacts, I could fake it till I make it. This one, you can totally tell that I'm wearing contacts. I mean, duh. But I'm not complaining because they're pretty AF. Okay, yes, so can Blackpink add me to the promotion list? Thank you. I appreciate it, I appreciate it. That is it for this try on haul. Please let me know if you want me to try other contact lens. Comment down below. And just in case you're wondering if I had to rank these, my favorite will have to be the Jenny and Lisa ones, the gray. My second one would be the Hazel Jisoo one, and then the Rose Olive ones. And if we have to include me, I come last. Aqua is last. You can call me Aqua from now on. My name is Aqua, so hello. I hope you guys enjoyed another K-pop contact haul. And if you want more, please like this video so I'll know. Since you're here anyway, you might as well subscribe. I mean, if you want. Until next time, I'm sending the bye.